Narashino, facing the rising sun. They take flight and soar, just like they have done it 9 times in Japan. These are the Seagulls. In California, where the sun is warm, the greatest extravaganza in football, with a nostalgic feel. The sun always rises at the end, they say. These are the Sun.
Welcome to the new game in town, the World Football League. The kickoff team on the field now as they will field it about a yard deep. And a pretty good return here. He'll be stopped just shy of the 25 at the 24-yard line. Way out. And
It's because if you can run the ball effectively.
Goff on first down. And his first pass here is going to fall incomplete. Goff now looks to throw. Caught, but it's intercepted. Picked off by the Pro Bowler, Marcus Peters. That first drive, pick 6.
The offense never got a chance to really get oiled up there, did they? But the defense, they certainly got in gear. What a big-time play and a great way for them to start.
And now the offense, they've got to turn things around and figure this out because your backs are on the ground. Zerline good with a PAT, and it's now a 7. So they'll get another shot on offense following that pick 6. And now the kick is away. Fielded about a yard deep. And he'll get it up past the 20 to the 22-yard line.
Let's go. We got three. Ready.
In search of redemption from the pick 6. Goff. And they get him down, but not before he takes it across the 40-yard line. The drive starting play, a good one. Give him 19. They'll run with Kelly. And he'll be taken down, but not before he gets into enemy territory. From the gun, here's Goff. And that's caught left side, it's Wood.
Linebacker. One thing we always notice at the end of every game, his stat sheet is full.
They'll try a little trickery here on the end around. Nickel 3rd and 3. A shotgun snap for Goff. This pass complete to Reynolds. That'll be enough to keep the drive moving forward. Another first down on the pickup of 5 yards to 10. And that play went nowhere. Losing yardage. It'll be back at the 36. And this play will be blown up. He'll lose yardage back at the 38. Now.
Let's get off the field. Ready.
Out of the gun. Goff. They got him there. It's Woods. And he gets this one inside the 15, just a yard or 2 shy of the 10. last drive. You come out and start this one 4 for 4.
And watching him throw it around with that type of confidence reminds me of a guy I played with way back when who told me, I don't care if I throw 10 interceptions in a row, I'm going to stay confident.
Gone. His pass caught at the 4. And he'll be taken down at the 2-yard line. Now it's gone. And he's got his man. It's caught. Touchdown grab. As his guys are on the board here in this first quarter. Good bounce-back drive. Number 2 leads them right down the field into the end zone.
Agreed totally. Excellent bounce back. Tremendous poise. Confidence never lost. And obviously he transmitted that to his teammates as well.
Oh, they get to the football. It's blocked. But this is a live football. But he doesn't get far. They're able to stop him. And after all that, the extra point attempt unsuccessful.
But there's a just relax, coach. Why are you yelling? Don't worry about it. It's just 1 point. Oh, my. Those coaches see a point is gold to them because you never know how it's going to turn out later.
Bad move. So after the block PAT, they're ready to kick this one off. This will be taken in at the 1. And nice work on the return as they'll start their drive just past the 30-yard line. For their first position.
Year to 5 his sophomore year to 8 his junior year.
10. They'll run here with John Kelly. And he'll be brought back.
Any part of it, that's going to be 15 yards.
Goff now to throw. Firing quickly, but it's incomplete. Kelly on the counter. And an alley to run. And past the 30. Blocking is so well executed like that.
And it doesn't matter whether it's zone blocking, whether it's a power scheme. When you have a blocker on a defender, and then the running back can read it, find the proper hole, and just...
On 1st and 10, Goff. Over the middle, that's hauled in by Cup. And he'll get into the end zone. Touchdown for Cup. 32 yards. And the rain
offense can have. When you don't have very far to go, you should cash it in with points.
And it's up. It's good. Our score, 14-6. The kickoff unit is out on the field, and they will send this one away. This will be taken in at the 1. And not a bad return here. He gets it out to the 25-yard line. And says they get set to take possession. On 1st down, it's gone. And down he goes on the pressure. Leading the surge there as he drops him for a loss of 6.
Brandon, if I'm an offensive coordinator and I see an all, because I'm going to use their aggressiveness against them as this game goes on, I'm going to hit them with a screen soon.
Off play action. Here's Goff. He's going to float this one deep right side. And that is caught. One-handed. Oh, my. He pulled it in. Touchdown. A big play there. 81 yards. He down to 2. And correct me if I'm wrong, that was just a simple fly route, wasn't it?
No, there's nothing to correct at all. You've got it down pat. And I just remember as a player, when I'd be in practice sessions and I'd hear 9 from the receivers, that meant fly route, go. Uh-oh, look out. That was the 9, and he just kept going all the way into the end zone for the touchdown.
And this time he gets it to go as it is the long touchdown pass gets him 6 on a very, very tidy 2-play drive that time. So we're back to a 1-point game now as the kickoff comes. Fielded about a yard deep. And he'll be brought down at the 23, make it the 24, the line. They'll start on the ground with Kelly. So he got free of 1 tackle, but couldn't do a whole lot.
When we see those runs to the perimeter, when we see those runs to the edge, we think about big breakers, don't we? In this case, it was a modest gain, but it does open up possibilities here on second down.
Now gone. And he rifles one incomplete. Bradley, as we could have possibly imagined, but sometimes the passes just go awry.
Yeah, let's face it. When you're running the route tree in pregame, you don't have defenders breathing down your neck. You don't have defense.
Brandon Cooks. Cooks. 72 yards. That ball down, right?
Yeah, something has to happen because we saw the end result there. Missed tackle, he goes all the way and takes it for a touchdown.
And with that, the lead is up to 8. Set now to kick this one away, and off it goes. This is taken about 7 yards deep. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes out to the 25-yard line. Now, not so hot. The first quarter, they were sputtering a little bit, but they seem to have stayed the course and really righted the ship here in the second.
Well, let's start things off. Maybe get a little flat. But if you put in that time, you put in that effort, it can come back to you, and that's what we're seeing so far.
Now can they keep that momentum going? 12. Here's Goff. Well, that'll be caught by Cup. And this will go as a gain of 7 as he gets it to the 30-yard line. The reception good for 7. It's third down. To throw is Goff. And able to find Higbee. It's complete. That's so to speak. On first down, Kelly. This will be stopped about 2 yards shy of the marker.
Because you're headed towards the ball carrier with a band.
On second and a couple. Goff. Blitz coming, and down he goes.
Now, we talk about players blitzing all the time. I often laugh and sometimes call it just straight into the backfield for him.
Yeah, it really didn't give anybody a chance to get up there and stop him.
No, I mean, that's really, really difficult. You're asking a whole lot anyway, but when he gets that kind of a start and comes...
Here's Goff. Throw complete right side to Cooks. And he gets this only to the 44-yard line. Not on a punt for the first time tonight. And a bit of a mistake there. This is well into the end zone for a touchback. First and 10 at the 20. They'll run on first down. It's Kelly. First play of the drive, a success. 19. Here's another first and 10. On the carry is Kelly. He's got the first down and more past midfield. Another nice gain. That's now 30 yards between those last two plays. First down. On first down, it's Kelly. Another big hitter there. This one good for 18. They'll try the air now with Goff. Complete to Kelly. For the 2-minute warning. Let's see if they do it anyway. To throw again on second down. Goff. Open man is Higbee, the tight end. And he's got this down almost to the 20 before he's dropped. And we've hit the 2-minute mark in this first half of action. At halftime, we'll pay a visit to Jonathan Coachman. He's in Orlando, and he'll have our EA Sports halftime report. This is caught and stopped a few yards shy of the goal line at the 3. Another big incompletions, first and goal.
I think on defense now, you have to almost take a chance. Rely on your scouting, pick a play you think they would run here, and just load up for it and see what happens.
Here as they come up on first and goal. Kelly to try to punch it in. And he'll be brought. I think this one's going to be a face mask.
Flag, but you caused the play. You did it. I had to.
Going to run the sweep here. This is Cup. And he is into the end zone. Touchdown, Los Angeles. Touchdown here in this first half. But hey, they did the job.
And the defense always preaches getting off the field, making a play, and turning it back over to their own offense. Unable to do so. A long, sustained drop.
And the lead is up to 15 now. Out is the kickoff unit as they run up and send this one away. That'll be taken in the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes out to the 25-yard line.
Everyone has to come together. Everyone has to up the level of play a little bit, including himself, and find a way to make some plays in order to give them a little bit of a spark and rally the team.
We'll see a good pickup there. 8 yards on the first down completion.
They'd love to just strike back with a touchdown right here. If it's a long play, so be it. But the main goal is to get a chance to catch their breath, settle down, and relax a little bit after they just gave up the score.
Throw left side. Over 200 yards already in this first half. It's first and 10. They got a man over the middle. It's Wood. Goff throwing again. Open man right side is Cup, complete. And he'll get it down, then get it up and get set. Throwing again on second down. Goff. And that will be incomplete with a clock down now to... Throwing again is Goff. His throw at about the 5. Get a score back here before halftime. Again, Goff. And it's caught. And he's able to get it down to the 2-yard first here, and they look to build on their lead as the second half gets started. This is taken at his 4. And he's up across the 25 and down at the 28-yard line.
Oh, yeah. You also want to continue to get that great blocking he's received today, too.
Yeah. Kudos to the guys up front indeed. And now a throw here secured by his running back out of the back.
0 yards gained, so they're behind schedule on down and distance.
I think they were hoping to get it to him. He can make a man or two miss, but that window closed quickly. And they come up to the line now facing a 3rd and 10 after the incompletion. And the open receiver, it's Robert Woods. And he'll be tackled right on the chalk of the 45. A good pickup. Goff on first down. Steps away to his left. Continuing to fight for more. And bulldozing through multiple tackles. And taking 13 yards that time at a... two-yard line. Kelly tries the right side.
To the back, play a little bit of keep away, don't you think?
And that's probably a good philosophy at this point, going to make that defense stand up and stop him. Bust through the tackle. And brought down, but not before they're inside the 20. Now a first down throw. Gone. Over the middle, complete. That's Kelly. And he works free. And they are able to stop him. The end result, 21 yards. Whatever the discussions were at halftime to try to slow down this offense, it has not worked to this point.
Yeah, I have a vision right now of everything that was discussed at the half just being torn in shreds or being erased off of the Microsoft Surface tablets because none of it is working. They are really locked in on offense.
Goff now looking to throw. Looking end zone, but it's incomplete. Try again from the 2-yard line. On the toss, it's Gurley. Call it no gain that route.
Something quick hitting. You don't have the time for something that develops slowly. It's got to be right at them if you're going to...
And he's got it. That's caught for a Ram touchdown. 2 yards on the touchdown there.
Nice, methodical, that's one of the words you've taught me. And they just got it done.
And slowly but surely now starting to pull away a little bit. Things looking good for them here in the third quarter.
Not only pulling away, you mentioned that slowly but surely.
And he's been a busy man, 5 for 5 now as he knocks another one through to extend the lead. The kickoff team on the field now as they will send this one away. Fielded about a yard deep. And he'll wind up about 4 yards shy of where he would have been if he had taken a knee as they'll start at the 21-yard line. As they get ready for their first possession of the second half. And their halftime hole now even deeper. And they need a big drive here just to...
Against the boulder and start pushing and try and get back to where you were to start the half.
Throwing on first down, but this one winds up to be it.
Yeah, fortunately for him, got a couple more downs to play with.
On 2nd and 10, Goff. And this time he's got the hook up. It's complete. A shotgun snap for Goff. This pass complete to Reynolds. And they nearly get this all the way to midfield. Mark him down at the 49. They'll run the end around. This is Cooks. And he's going to take this one across mid. To throw on 2nd and 6. Goff. Reynolds with a catch out on the right side. That catch
as fast as possible. Hope he's got man-to-man coverage and hope that his athleticism wins on the perimeter.
And second time. They decide against going for it on 4th. A nice consolation prize down inside the 5.
Nice consolation prize indeed. So maybe the offense is upset, but they showed confidence in their defense by punting it away. You're also not going pell-mell like you would in 2-minute offense. This is what NFL offenses call 4-minute football. Take the clock out of the game a little bit, wind it down.
On 2nd down and 4, Goff. Throw right side, going to be caught by Higbee. And they'll bring him down here right up the pickup, and that's the first down. And welcome back. We are in the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia. A lot of happy faces in the crowd at this point as their guys have a big lead here to start quarter 1st and 10. Going to run the sweep here. This is Cup. And the second wave of tacklers is going to get him as they... On 2nd and 12, Goff. And he almost intercepted it. They haven't...
Unable to come down with it.
A sigh of relief, no doubt, on offense that that fell harmlessly to the ground. Man open, it's Cup. He's got it. And they're going to get this beyond the 40.
And I know my background says, why do you need to do this? Just go ahead and run out the clock and get a win. But as many people pointed out to me, it's a video game, man. Go ahead and put the numbers up. Sportsmanship, not an issue.
Exercise those fingers. 17 through the air as he leads his guys up on first down. They'll run on first down. It's Kelly. 2 yards on the carry. Going to run the sweep here. This is Cup. And that one covered beautifully. Their defenders stayed home, and they'll stop him behind the line. Gone. This is caught. It's Cooks. And he's going to get this all the way down inside the 35. And he's
getting their numbers. That's all they care about right now.
First and 10. Goff now looks to throw. Rolling to his right. Nowhere to turn here, and he's going to go down. Back at about the 37-yard line.
Get him, boy. Yeah, that's how we do it.
Completion now. Finally, the defense gets there.
And you have to find a way to disrupt their rhythm. Do you do it with coverage, or do you do it with pressure? They elected to go with pressure, and it was the right call.
And 12. This is Kelly. They get 11 back on now.
7 yards on the ground today. You think he's going to get the ball again?
I think so. 3 away from that century mark. Got to have it.
Yeah, and I think what they're going to call is one of his favorite runs. But with all the offense we've seen from them tonight, it's kind of nice to see the defense step up and make a big play.
Yeah, I was wondering if they were ever going to get it. The kickoff unit is out on the field, and they will send this one away. That'll be taken in the end zone. And no run back here. This will be a touchback, and it comes out to the
offense right here. The punter doesn't exist, guys. He doesn't even exist. He's not a team anymore.
And he's going to be taken down. Goff is sacked. Offensively after having time to talk it over. There's a ball thrown right side and complete. And he's taken down but able to slip across the 35.
That dead area, so you may curl it a little bit wider just to get to that place.
And usually a tight window. He fired a bullet in there for the completion. Now a man open down the middle of the field. And he's going to get a solid gain of 9 before missed a yard. Leaves him with a very manageable 2nd and 1. Goff now to throw. Over the middle and complete to the tight end, Higbee. Now you've got to hustle your guys to the line and get them set.
You know I'm going to lean towards the defender, right? You know I'm going to do that.
I know.
That's a tough situation for him. Arc on it, he's got to find a way to get his head around and make a play in football.
You got the big lead defensively. Willing to give him that on 2nd down. To the air again. Goff. And this will be
for their team, but I think it counts more for the fantasy guys, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's just something maybe positive to look at on film, but This one's over, let's be honest.
Yeah, I agree with you totally on that one.
And that'll cut the lead down now to 18. Set now to kick this one away, and off it goes. This is taken at the 3. And he'll take this up past the 20 and down at the 22-yard line. Their next drive. And 3 timeouts remaining here defensively, but really not much reason to use them at this. Well, I know at points in this when you wanted to close your eyes because of all the points that were being put on the scoreboard. You're a defensive guy, but it was a fun little track meet, wasn't it?
It was, and you know the people who really enjoyed this game? They're the ones that like going to batting practice in the Major League Baseball parks, right? Seeing the 14-11 game, that sort of deal, that's right up their alley with what we saw in this one.
From Philadelphia, good night, everybody.